Do you camp lovers know how long Keystone has been making great travel trailers for you to take out to see this fabulous country? 25 years. They know how to put together a solid travel trailer. Case in point, the lightweight laminated Bullet Crossfire. Let's take a tour of some select Crossfire floor plans, but dig into some features first. So what do you say? Come on in. Now you may first notice the clean look. Bullet Crossfire models all have a very bright sheen inside that includes no carpet. Even in the models with slide outs, the slide gets that bow floor woven flooring. It's a small bit of comfort not to worry about carpet, and a large bit of comfort knowing the standard 13,500 BTU AC with an option for the bigger blower 15,000 BTU will keep you and your fellow campers comfortably cool. You want more comfort? Check out the very convenient tri-fold sofa that converts into a sleeper for two that you're going to find on some select Boulé models. Now in the kitchen, you'll find an array of camp conveniences. You'll get a single basin stainless steel sink set into the ultra durable continuous edge countertop, full depth cabinets with full extension drawer guides, and hardwood cabinet doors with hidden hinges. You'll also get a Furion microwave plus 3-burner gas range. All Bullet Crossfires have a convenient central monitor panel and nice touches with LED reading lights above the bed, full tub surround with built-in shelves, a porcelain foot flush toilet, and a laundry chute. Oh dang, almost forgot about the entertainment. The Bullet Crossfire entertainment system comes with 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep and an AM/FM auxiliary USB Bluetooth stereo with outside speakers. And speaking of outside, let's venture out and talk exterior features. Yep, you can certainly party outside using the Bluetooth stereo as you relax under the power awning. More power allows you to set up camp quickly or tear down quickly with the 4 electric stabilizer jacks and the electric tongue jack. All Bullet Crossfire models have easily accessible pass-through storage, complete with those magnetic door latches so that you don't need to use your noggin to hold the door open or to keep it open. Or if you got a big noggin like me, it's going to do it anyway. You also won't need to use your noggin to figure out where to get a spare tire either, because every Bullet Crossfire comes with an easily accessible spare tire on the rear. Another big peace of mind, especially if you want to boondock a bit, are the nice sized tanks. 43 gallons for freshwater, 30 gallons for gray, and 30 gallons for black. Oh, and you'll get the very convenient black tank flush. Now let's talk a little bit more about power. Save your battery. You get a battery disconnect, which does help extend the battery's life a bit, but what really helps, the standard feature known as Solar Flex 200. This Keystone exclusive allows you to harness the sun's energy to power up your RV without putting stress on your battery. You can also opt for the more powerful Solar Flex 400i as well to build on to the system, so why not? All right, let's talk a little bit about construction. What's the most important issue to enable you to camp season after season? Construction. Bullet Crossfire models are built to last. On the top, you'll find a fully walkable roof with a one-piece TPO membrane to keep the elements out. On the bottom, a Norco HSLA steel automotive deposition coated frame assembled with huck bolts, plus a one-piece ABS enclosed underbelly to keep elements and critters out. In the middle, aluminum framed floor and walls with laminated sides. Bullet Crossfires have tough lock thermoplastic duct joiners so they won't rust. TrueFit slide construction to get a solid seal for those models with the slide out. Plus, you get Keystone's exclusive color-coded wiring to make it easier to fix any electrical issues. Oh, and you'll get a Gigi box, weather-protected, labeled, and fused electric box. No more wire hangers! Oh, sorry, I mean no more hanging wires. Okay, a quick overview of the Bullet Crossfire regarding weight and length. They're pretty tightly clustered regarding unloaded weights with an average weight of around 5,000 pounds. Length is a bit different though. You'll find them at the short end, just over 21 feet, and the long end stretching out just beyond 32 feet. There are some fantastic floor plans to see both for the family and for the camping couple. Let's hit a few of those family-friendly bunkhouses first. Right out the gate, the 1700 BH. It's a single axle bunkhouse with stacked twin bunks nestled up against a convertible dinette and has a queen bed up front. As such, it can comfortably sleep up to 5. The 2430 BH is a double axle bunkhouse with a large U-shaped dinette in a slide out and double over double bunks. The front bedroom has solid sliding doors for privacy, and on the exterior, you'll get an outside beverage fridge. The 2430 BH can comfortably sleep 8. The birds love it too. For those of you who love to go camping with your camping compadre, let's check out a couple designed for, couples. The 1850 RB has a trifold sofa in a slide out where you can lounge and watch TV or have overnight guests. The bathroom has a nifty radius shower, and up front, there's a walk-around queen bed with a pair of wardrobe closets. The 1850 RB has the capacity to sleep up to 4. The 1900 RD has a massive U-shaped dinette against its rear wall that can convert into a sleeping space for 2. This model also has a full-length pantry next to the fridge, as well as a corner queen bed. The 1900 RD, while designed for a couple, can sleep up to 4. So I hope you enjoyed my tour of what makes the Keystone Crossfire a solid choice to be your home away from home. These laminated travel trailers are sure to keep you, your campground-loving family, hopping across the country with a smile on your face. To see what's available in your neck of the woods, you can always check them out online at campingworld.com. And as always, happy camping.